Hello my dear children, welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to learn articles. Okay, do you know children what are articles? Let me show you. Can you see children? These are our articles. What are the articles? All of you read. A, and, the. Yes, a, and, the. Can you see children? Yes, these are our articles. A, and, the. Okay. All of you say loudly. A, and, the. Okay. A, and, the. Is it clear? Can you see children? Yes, these are our articles. Yes, articles is used before a noun. Okay, articles are used before the nouns. Okay, an article is used before a noun. Is it clear? Yes. What are articles? Yes, articles is used before a noun. And also a, and, the. These are our articles. Okay. Yes. And taken the case of a. Okay. We use a before a consonant sound. Okay. We use a before a consonant sound. Okay. How many consonants we have? Yes. We have 21. Okay. Very good. We have 21 consonant sound. We already learned in the previous classes. Isn't it? Yes. So, a is used before a consonant sound. Is it clear? Yes. For example, a toy, a bus, then a cab, a cup. Okay. Yes. A is used before a consonant sound. We have 21 consonant, isn't it? Yes. Something general. A is used before a consonant sound, that is something general. For example, a cap, a pen, a toy, a cup. Is it clear? Yes. Then and. Can you see children? And. Yes. We use and before a vowel sound. Okay. Yes. We use and before a vowel sound. How many vowels do we have? Yes, we have 5 vowel sounds. Yes, what are those children? A, E, I, O, U. Isn't it? Yes, the remaining letters or remaining alphabets are consonant. Is it clear? Yes, we already learned. Yes. So, and is used before a vowel sound. Okay. For example, an apple. Yes, A, E, I, O, U. These are our vowel sounds. Okay. An apple. Okay. An apple is wrong. Okay. An apple is right. An apple, then an orange, then an umbrella, then an ice cream. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Then an is used before a vowel sound. We have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A is used before a consonant sound and an is used before a vowel sound. Yes. Then next one, the. Yes. The is used before a specific place, person or thing. Okay. The is used before a specific place, person or thing. Yes, the. Can you see children? Yes. Only one thing, that is specific. Okay, only one thing. The is used before a specific thing. Okay, talking about a specific thing. The is used before talking about a specific thing. For example, the girl is beautiful. The girl is beautiful. There are so many girls and among them one girl is very beautiful girl. So the girl is beautiful. I specified, okay, a specific girl. Is it clear? Yes. The girl is beautiful. Only one thing. Okay. And also the moon. There is only one moon in the sky. Okay. Talk about only one thing. Okay. And also the sun. There is only one sun in the sky. Okay. That is used before specific person, place or thing. And also there is only one thing. Is it clear? Yes. I think you are clear with these articles. A and the. Okay. These are our English articles. Is it clear? Yes. Then all of you take out your textbook. Take out your textbook, children. Yes. Open page number 52. 52. Yes. Here is our chapter. Picture reading. A and the. Okay, we already discussed this before. Yes. Look at the picture. Okay, you have to identify the picture. First one, boy. A boy. Here, B. B is a consonant sound. So, we use a boy. Then a cup. C is also a consonant. So we use a. Then a fan. Yes, F is also a consonant. Then a fox. Again, F is a consonant sound. Then a hat. Then a jack. A log. A pen. A tap. A zip. Then next one, an ant. And here ant. The noun is ant and is a vowel sound. Okay, is a vowel sound. So we use an. Okay, an ant. Then an apple. Here the noun apple start with a sound. So there's also vowel sound and we use an apple. An. Okay. Yes. Then next picture. An egg. An egg. Here also E. Egg. A sound is also vowel sound and we use an. Is it clear? Yes. Then next one. An igloo. An igloo. Here I. Igloo. The noun is igloo. I makes the sound E. I is also a vowel sound. Yes, so we use an. Then next picture, the moon. Yes, the moon. So here moon is a specific thing. Okay, specific thing. There are only one moon in the sky. So we use the. Then also the sun. Yes, there are only one sun in the sky. So we use the. Is it clear? There is only one moon and there is only one sun. So we use the. The is used to talk about something specific. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Then all of you look at the page number 53. Page number 53. Yes. Fill in the blanks with a, an and the. A, an and the. Can you see, children? Yes. First one. Look at the first picture. Yes, egg. Egg. So what will we write? A, an or the? Yes. Very good. An egg. An egg. Yes. The next picture. Apple. Yes. What will we write? An apple. Very good. An apple. Yes. Then all of you take out your pencils also. Okay. Yes, put on date here and also here. Then write down. Okay. The next picture, cup. Yes, a cup. Very good. C is a consonant. C is a consonant sound. So we use a cup. Then sun. Yes, very good. The sun. The sun. Yes. Then ox. Yes. O is the vowel sound. So we write an ox. An ox. Then ant. Very good. An ant. Then next one. Lion. Very good. So a lion. Yes, a lion. Yes, L is a consonant. So a lion. Then last one, boy. Yes, a boy. Very good. A boy. So all of you finish this page at your home. Okay, page number 53. Do you all understand, children? Articles? Yes, today we learn about articles. Do you understand, children? Okay, children, I think you are all clear with articles, and also you have to finish page number 53 at your home. Okay, yes, and I will give you some homework. All of you listen here. Yes, listen here, children. Take a fresh page in your 4-line notebook, then put on date, then draw 3 columns like this. These are some examples of articles. Okay, so you have to write like this. A fish, first one, a fish. Yes, then second one, an ant. Yes, then the sun. The next page, again put on date, then write down a cup. Then an egg. Then the moon. Do you all understand, children, how to write articles? Yes, you have to write 2 pages. Okay, 2 pages here, a fish, an ant, and the sun. 2 pages, and also a cup, an egg, and the moon. 2 pages. Is it clear, children? Yes, write down neatly, put on date, and also write down neatly. Okay, thank you, children. I hope you all clear with articles. Thank you.